All right, we're gonna replace this Carrier Eco Blue motor. Got a new motor here. Motor is failed, spinning slowly, doing this type of movement. So first thing you want to do is make sure you kill the power. It's real simple replacement, repair. Unplug the Molex plug here. Take this off. Freely, you're going to remove these two 5/16 bolts. Let's see, I need an extension real quick. And once you do this, the motor should slide out. Has a little clip here in the back that secures it. Let's see. Oh yeah, how to cut this too. Just make sure we got everything out. There we go. So it should slide forward. Okay, boom. Alright, so comes out like that. While we got it out, we're gonna take a look at the heat exchanger. Make sure the heat exchanger looks good. No issues, anything compromised. Heat exchanger looks fine. Alright. Cool. So, next thing you want to do, you want to remove these bolts on top, and that allows the fan shroud to come off. All those off. All right, so this just goes on top like this. This guard goes around, and these little tabs click right into these holes here. So it comes off. Boom. So next thing you want to do is remove these bolts. And these bolts release the motor from the housing. Keep those right there, don't lose any bolts. Boom. Take this out. The other thing you want to do, on the bottom of these motors, it has a heat shield. So you want to remove this and put it on the new motor, or else you'll be repeating this process pretty soon. So this is very important to remove this heat shield and install it on the new motor. All right, so this is the old motor. It's junk. Just that fast to take it apart. We'll put everything back in reverse, and we will come back and test it out. All right. Also, you want to make sure your motor specs lined up with the new motor. This is a 460 volt unit, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.2 amps, 625 watts. So make sure everything corresponds with the new replacement. And just like that, motor's running. So in troubleshooting these motors, If you have the proper high voltage coming to the motor, and then you have at least, it has to be 11 volts DC going back to the board, which you would test all that here. And if you have that, then the motor is the issue. These motors are typically just like ECM motors. You have your low voltage, high voltage, then the motor is the bad culprit. We're cooling now. So the job's done.